Sometimes you just need an extra monitor to do your multitasking like your video editing or photo editing. Buying a new monitor can be very much costly and maybe you don't want to buy a new one. So what you can do that if you have an iPad lying around in your house, then you can use your iPad as an external monitor for your computer, Mac or PC, whatever you are using. Well, today I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as an external monitor for your PC or Mac. This is your host James Prince and welcome to iPad Nerd. Before proceeding on, I just want to let you know that this channel is dedicated for iPad related videos. If you are interested on iPad related gears, apps, then you can consider subscribing to this channel. Well, if you want to use your iPad as an external monitor for your PC or Mac, you just need to install two applications on your PC and on your iPad. And other thing is that you will be needing a USB cable to connect your iPad with your computer or Mac. If you're using previous version like normal iPad or iPad Air, then you can use your lightning connector which you have gotten on your iPad box, and if you're using iPad Pro you can use your USB-C cable. First you need to go to the App Store and search for Duet Display. You need to install Duet Display on your iPad and you have to pay $10 to install this software, and I promise you this is the only thing where you need to pay. So after installing Duet Display apps on your iPad, you need to go to your computer or Mac, whichever you are using. You need to go to their website and you have to download the Duet Display app for your computer or Mac. You don't need to pay for this section, and after installing both software for your iPad and Windows or Mac, you need to create an account in order to use Duet Display. After signing in on the both devices, you are good to go. Then just connect your iPad with computer or Mac and adjust the setting you want to use, and voila, you are using your iPad as an external monitor for your computer. This feature is very much useful if you are traveling a lot, and Duet Display has a wireless feature, and I will not recommend it because if you want to use that wireless feature then you have to pay a subscription fee, which I don't like. I hate subscription. So that's it. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share your comment on the comment section below. I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, goodbye.